Alright, Jake here with Baun Performance. Here's my personal car. I got my buddy Jason here helping out with a little bit of long coding, doing some mods with OBD11. So while I have him here, since my YouTube channel doesn't have any good exhaust clips in my car, we'll do at least a couple, it's already warm so it won't be cold start, but we'll do just a few revs sitting here and let you see how the catted turbo back exhaust with the vibrant 17950 resonator and Borla Pro Xs muffler sounds. All right, let's go ahead and start it up. We just did the 5 brake light and turn signal mod. So no tractor sounds here, just nice, crisp, deep Volkswagen sound that's actually desirable. Doesn't sound like my Kubota. And that's it. We'll get some driving videos another time. Thanks for watching.